Hey boys and girls, we are doing phonics today and I have an idea. I want you all to pretend that you are pirates today. So put on your pretend pirate vest and your pretend pirate eye patch and your pretend parrot. And I want you to think about why in the world would Mrs. Bottomley have us dressed like a pirate today? Well, I'm going to tell you because I couldn't wait any longer and I took a sneak peek at Gus's tip for us today. So I'm going to reveal it so you can know why we are pretending to be pirates. Let's take a peek. It says to be really great at word demolition, which means to break it apart. You have to have a little bit of pirate in you. Stay on the lookout for vowels with R and don't break those letters apart. We have talked a little bit about this before, but to help us, I thought we should be looking at our vowels with R chart because those are going to help us the most. You'll notice that a lot of these sound the same but are spelled differently, so we're going to have to rely on our eyes to help us understand what looks right when spelling a word. R, all by yourself. And then we have some others that are spelled very differently but sound exactly the same. So, after looking and taking a peek, I thought it would be a good idea for us to look at a sentence together and try to use our word demolition skills to break apart words we're not sure about. And then I have a really fun poem for us to look at. So here is our sentence today. Here we go. What? AI is a vowel team. Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. I could hear you way over here. You're right. Prayer. And I'm thinking of the word cookie. That has an I-E. Prairie land is flat. And covered, and I see an ER here, in grass. Wow. So here is going to be your activity today. You will have to find some treasures in the writing today. Let me show you what I mean. There will be this paper, and I want you, instead of finding gold today, I want you to find the words that have R-controlled vowels in them, which means vowels with R. Remember, R is a bossy, kind of rascally letter, and it makes other letters say different things. So what I want you to do is look through and I want you to find the treasures. Okay? Then, I always wondered this about pirates and why they wear eye patches. And lucky enough, Gus had a little letter for us about why. And you'll notice I have some words highlighted in here because those are going to be tricky letters or words for us. They're going to be words that we really need to think about how we're going to break them apart in order to know what they mean. So, what I want to do is make a prediction first about what you think this is going to be about. And then we will use what we know to try to figure out what these other words are. So, your job today is going to be to do our sentences and find the treasures. And then I will have this for you too. And I want you to figure out what these words might be using vowel teams, using endings that we've talked about, and using vowels with R. Okay? So we're going to come back to this on Thursday. We'll start with that before we get into our new lesson. All right? Good luck. See you soon.